happy Monday, welcome back. So today we're on day 4 of the Daily Arithmetic Challenge. Okay, so here are the first 6 questions. As always, pause, have a go. There's some more on the next screen, and once you've done all 10, you can unfreeze your screens and we will go through the answers together. Good luck. Okay, so now it's time to go through the answers together. Okay, so here are your answers to the first 6 questions. Now today's questions have been taken from the 2018 arithmetic paper. Now they're the first 10 questions in the arithmetic paper, so they shouldn't actually have been too hard for you to do. So the first one should have been quite nice and easy for you. The only thing that you may have made a mistake on is place value of digits and making sure that you remember to carry across any values. The second one is a nice easy fractions question because both of the denominators are already the same. So therefore the denominator stays the same in your answer and it is as easy as doing 9 take away 4. So the second question, we've got 45 multiplied by 2. You could have done this in a number of different ways. You could have partitioned it, or you could have done it in the method, or if you were just confident enough you could have done this one in your head and then come back at the end of the test if you had time and used a method just to make sure that you'd not made any silly mistakes. So the next question, 838 divided by 1, I've written out a method for it, but actually that is a massive waste of time in a test. You know that any number multiplied by 1 is going to be itself. So the next question, 99 divided by 11. Now you could have written out a method for this one, but you would have still ended up with the same question. All I did is, knowing my facts of 11 times tables, is I knew that 11 times 9 is 99, so I know that my answer must be 9. So for number 6, I have got 5 times 4 times 10, so I've used the boxing up method we've been looking at. I've done 5 times 4, which is 20, and then I have multiplied my answer by 10, which is 200. Okay, so number 7 is a relatively straightforward subtraction question. Again, the only thing that you may have made a mistake on is place value, and also recognising that once you got to the value that had a 0 in there, that you cannot do 0 take away 5, so you would have had to exchange from the next place value. So the next question, 6 squared add 10. Just remember, 6 squared does not mean 6 times 2, it means 6 times 6. 6 sixes are 36, and then add the 10, which would give you 46. Number 9, so a decimals question, and again, this is one that tends to catch quite a lot of children out. Just make sure that you are putting your decimals in the same place when you are adding or subtracting. I've also added a 0 beside the 7 as a placeholder, just to make it a bit easier for me to see where I'm adding my digits. And then the last one is a missing number question. Something subtract 10 equals 298, and as we always say, in one of these questions it is usually the inverse that you have to use. So instead of it being a subtract, we're going to add, because I'm essentially trying to find 10 more than 298. So there you have it, guys. They are today's 10 questions. Make sure that you come back tomorrow and comment down below if you managed to get them all right. Well done.